My name is Thomas Brush. I make indie games for a living. Come on in. Come on in. Come say hi, everybody. Everybody come join me. The reason why I want you to join me is because, well, I want to say hello. And I want to I want to welcome everybody in. I'm really just trying to buy time here because I honestly forgot to open up my streaming deck or my chat. So hold on. Just wait and be patient. All right. So today well, first off, I want to apologize for not being live for a while. I think it's been 4 business days. What I mean is Thursday and Friday. I don't think I live streamed. Did I live stream on Thursday and Friday? And then also, what's today? Wednesday. I didn't live stream on Monday or Tuesday. I really missed you guys. I really missed everybody. Honestly. So come on in. Believe it or not, guys, we're actually going to start this live stream off in a different way. Okay? We're going to start out with a Q&A. Okay? So let's go ahead and jump into a Q&A. Let's go! And you know, it's cool because there's 69 of you right now. That's my favorite number. That's so dumb. Oh my word, Thomas. Great joke. Sometimes I sort of let it go and then I'm like, that was stupid. No, but we got 69 people here so far. And what I want to do is go ahead and jump into some questions here. Spider says, hi, is Father the sequel to Pinstripe? The answer is no. No, it's not. Come on, guys. Ask me some questions. I'm just messing with you. What do I think about the asset named Digger? Do I want to look this up? We can take a look. Unity Asset Store. Let's go take a look here. Ooh, it's a summer sale. Got 50% off. Digger. I don't see anything named that. Unless, hold on. There it is. Cool. Building terrain and caves. What? Let me show you guys this. This looks really cool. Sweet. I love it when you guys show me new assets. What? That looks so cool. I think it looks pretty sweet. Considering this is what I always say. If it's got 5-star reviews and more than like 10 reviews, it's absolutely worth your money. That's awesome. Man, I like that. And by the way, guys, if you haven't downloaded my free 2D game kit, go ahead and do that. Seriously. It's totally free. No gimmicks. I'll send you some additional resources, some free stuff, and I will let you know when the course is on sale. But it's totally free. Totally free game kit. Okay, a couple more questions. How long did it take you to make your first game? Well, I think you guys saw my recent video. If you haven't, go ahead and take a look at one of my recent videos on my channel. I think it's one on Monday. My first game was actually a game called Flash Geometry Wars. You can actually look it up on Google or on YouTube, and you can see people playing it. It's called Flash Geometry Wars. That took me a month to make. My first commercial game took 5 years. All right, I got time for about 2 more questions as we let everybody roll on in. We got 120 people so far, which is awesome. How do I deal with making a game constantly with darkish tones? Well, Owen, let me tell you something. That is what I like. I enjoy that. I enjoy it a lot, actually. I really do enjoy dark tones in my video games, and I like dark tones in my life. I like contrast though, so I like summer. Summer's my favorite, but I like my environment, like my home, to be a little bit gloomy, a little bit moody. That's what I like. I'm not saying I have that, but that's what I like. So my point is that that's what I've always done. I've done that since I was like 15. You can actually look at some of my work on newgrounds.com. Just look up Atmos Games, ATMOS Games, and you can see I've always done dark stuff, and that's just kind of how I how I feel all the time, honestly. Do I have, let's see here. How long do I think Father's going to take to complete? I have no idea how long it's going to take for Father to complete. But I'm thinking maybe 2 years to fully complete it. I'm probably going to sell it to a studio and act as the art director. That's my plan. And some of you might be thinking, Thomas, what in the world? And my response is, making indie games is exhausting, and I recommend everybody try it. But there gets a point where you go, okay, I've made enough games, I've built a big enough following, I can go ahead and partner with a studio to get this thing done. So my goal is to get it perfect, a perfect demo, and then I'm going to shop it around. So that's the goal. All right, guys. I think that's everything. That's the live stream. No, I'm kidding. Let's go ahead. Let's end our little Q&A here. That was fun. I just really, honestly, I wanted to do that Q&A because I kind of like to get warmed up because I haven't live streamed in a while. Well, like a week. And I feel so distant. I really do. So let me jump into something really quickly here. I want to make sure that everything's good with my live stream. And then we're going to jump into Father. While you guys wait, again, remember, go ahead and get that 2D game kit below. Totally free. My treat to you. Use it commercially or personally. I don't care. Whatever you want to do. I really don't care. So let's see if I can... that makes sense. Yeah, I forgot to add tags to my... Game dev. I forgot to add tags to the video. Game dev, Unity, tutorial, Unreal. Even though we don't talk about Unreal, but I guess it would be relevant in this live stream. How to make games. Game tutorial. All right. All right, guys. Well, let's go ahead and jump into finishing up Father. At least what I want to do today is actually finish up the enemy types, okay? So we've got one enemy type that we absolutely need to worry about, and that is the drones, okay? So let's go to our drones here. I'm going to hit play. Okay? And we need a couple things. First off, he's too big. Okay, let's write this list down. Let's see here. Where is my... What I like to do is just open up a text document for the day. I like to write down what I want to get done. So I know I want to get done shooting missiles should be higher, okay? Aimed at the player's face, okay? That's the first thing. Flying enemies shouldn't be too big. Well, they should be about, honestly, probably 35% smaller. Flying enemies should be able to get shot. Flying enemies should be able to get shot with blood particles and a hit sound. Okay. Oh, here's another one. Flying enemies should patrol. And all these settings, fortunately, are pretty much done. I just need to implement them. And then finally, flying enemies should explode on death. Okay? That is what we're going to do here. So let's go ahead and do the first one. The missiles... Why is my screen brightness so low? The homing missiles... I think it's this right here. There it is. What we need to do is we need to check on the script over here and take a look at something. Usually what you'll have is some kind of offset value. So let's open up this script and we're going to take a look and see if we can find, or maybe even just add in an offset value so that it's not the player's Y position. It's actually going to be like 2 units up is what it's going to be. All right. So let's see, what is it following? Let's find it here. It's going to be on update, right? There it is. Okay. Look at controller transform dot position. So what we're going to do is actually do this. New vector 3, controller transform dot position dot x, and then we're going to do position dot y plus offset. What is it going to be? Target offset dot y, and then obviously the z position as well. Okay. And we got to make sure that this is set to y. Okay. Target offset doesn't exist yet, right? So let's go ahead and create that variable for target offset. Scroll up here, and that's going to be right here. Public, or not public. So you guys know this probably by now, but I'll just explain it. I like to make my private variables serialized, and that means they're going to be exposed in the inspector, and I can edit them in the editor. But it doesn't mean that they're public. Okay. So we're going to do a vector 2, and it's going to, or vector 3, and it's going to be target offset. There you go. I'm really feeling this jazz today. It's nice. All right. Let's get this target offset loaded in. What are you doing, Unity? Get over yourself. Unity is primarily an enemy. Most days for me. But that's okay. It's better than Flash. Does anybody know what I mean? Anybody from the old school days know what I mean? Has anybody released a game on Newgrounds.com? I want to see somebody say me in all caps, because that to me, it right away we're friends. I should have had Unity as a secret enemy to the game. Okay, target offset is set to 2, so let's double check, guys. That should, whoa, point it to my face. Let's see. Come here, you flying shiny butthead. What? Why isn't it working? Why isn't it working? Let's see here. Blake, you have music on Newgrounds? That's awesome. All right, target offset. Let's just make this 20 and see what we get. If oh man, I can't talk. Hey, I just figured out the problem. It really shouldn't look at, although that's fine. What it should be is, oh crap, we need to create a new variable. Sorry, one sec. Oh, I got allergies today. I can't get over my allergies this year. I can't get over them. All right, let's go ahead and create a new vector 3, and that's going to be target position equals, and it's going to be controller transform.position. Watch this. Well, actually, let's just do this. Watch. Boop. Copy all that. Target position. You know, I did really something super stupid on Father's Day. I went and saw a horror movie because I wanted to take some time and to be selfish for the day. So I went and saw The Conjuring in the movie theater. This horribly stupid movie. And then I also bought, don't do this, I got myself a disposable vape. Because I don't want to vape, but I want to vape on Father's Day. It's just, that's my guilty pleasure. So I got a vape, and I was just vaping in the theater, having a good time. And then I got home, and I just kept vaping a little bit more. I was like, this is okay. I'm fine. And then the next day, I was like, you know, I'll be all right. Let me vape a little bit more. Just a little bit more, and then I'll throw it away. So it wasn't like until like 4 days later, I cast it out of my life like it was a demon. I threw it in a storm drain, and now all I think about is nicotine. So this is a rule I want to tell you all about. Don't vape. Okay? Because I'm sitting here, all I'm thinking about is vaping. Okay. There's our target. I don't know why I told you that. That's right. Quit. And I did quit. I quit all the time. So here's the target position here. That is going to be, the velocity is going to be determined now by target position. See? Not the controller position. Boop. All right. No, yeah. What I'll do is I'll like vape for a week, and then I'll wait like 6 months, and then I'll vape for a week, and then wait 6 months. Hey, it's better than nothing, right? All right, let's take a look. Come here, buddy. There it is. See? What? What? So for some reason it's not hitting me. Okay, I think it's the delay. There's a delay value. Yeah, here's the thing about anytime you go to see a sequel that's a horror movie. One of you mentioned, Thomas, how could you go see a scary movie all alone? Anytime you see a horror movie, a sequel, it's never scary. It's more like fantasy or like mystery. Because it's like you're not scared anymore because the last movie was, they sort of revealed everything. So what they do is they lean into like more fantasy and CGI and like mystery. It's so stupid. So nothing scared me in that movie. Nothing scared me. Oddly enough, if you watch horror movies like like Poltergeist from Steven Spielberg, that movie's not scary either because it's like a ton of effects and graphics. Whereas the things that scare me are, it feels like as close and as real to real life as possible, but with demons. That stuff is the scariest to me. I think Insidious, until the end of Insidious, the beginning of Insidious absolutely felt just like that. All right, destroy after 5 seconds. No, why isn't it hurting me? I think I know why. I figured it out. Here's why. Thomas, you're so smart. Not really, because I can show you. Here's what's going on. If we go to our controller here and we go to the capsule collider, I don't think it's tall enough. No, it is. Huh. Cracker Jacks. Abathar says, Thomas, have you seen Hereditary? Have I seen Hereditary? You got to be joking. Absolutely. Scariest movie of all time. Easily. Not because the whole movie is scary, but that ending. We've talked about this on the channel. That ending is so... Oh, man. And you guys know I believe in that stuff. So it's like way too scary for me. Okay, for some reason it's not exploding. Okay, let's take a look. All right, let's see here. On collision enter, okay. For some reason, it's not hitting me. Ignited CMS says, I have a confession to make. I want to hear it. Let's do public confession time. I'll be your priest. Let's go. I want to hear the nitty gritty. Okay, for some reason, I'm not getting hurt. So let's go to our homing missile. You haven't done any exercise on your e-bike? Of course you haven't. It's an e-bike. Okay, for some reason, this isn't hitting me, so we're going to figure that out really quick. Okay, that is. And I think it's because it's hitting the ground. Like, what if... Okay, it's hitting the ground, but it's not hitting me. Oh, that's so annoying. Gosh. F. I think I have an idea. Let's make it pretty big. So we're going to make the capsule collider for, hey, I think I might have an idea here. We're going to copy this, remove it, and we're actually going to put it right here. Okay. That might be our reason. What do you guys think? Maybe? Let's take a look. Let's mute it for now because I don't think you guys want to hear that anymore. Good. Okay, Tom. Wait, no. Crap. I think it's working. Okay, I think it's working. Sweet. This would be pretty exciting because I don't want to deal with this. Have you guys ever been working on a game and you're like, I have something really quick, I'll do it really quick, and then I'll focus on the big stuff. Oh my gosh. Stop. Why aren't you hitting me? What? On trigger enter. Oh, maybe it needs to be a trigger. I think that might be the problem. Let's take a look. Jeb, can you turn on the fan, buddy? Son of a bee. I don't want to deal with this. Okay. All right, so it doesn't need to be a trigger. So for some reason, let's take a look here. For some reason, it's not hitting the player. Can harm player. And, okay, let's debug this. Debug.log. Hit the player. Whoops. Hit the player. So annoying. It's so annoying because it was working and then now it's not. That's, I guess that's just game dev for you right there. So let's go ahead and exit, maximize on play. Take a look here. Okay, it's not hitting the player for some reason. Okay, so it's not hitting the player. Is homing missile? Oh, that's false. Okay. If it is a homing missile, then this is right here. Yeah, there we go. That's a bit redundant, that code right there. Let's take a look. Let's keep going. We're going to figure this out together, guys, I promise. Well, I shouldn't. I guess I shouldn't promise, right? Okay, that didn't do it either. Well. Let's do this. Debug.log. Collided with player. Does it need to be like a box collider or something? I honestly don't know. There's a rigid body attached to it. So, yeah, I don't know. Let's double check and make sure the rigid body is, it's not kinematic. That might be it. That might be the problem. You know? It could be. Is kinematic even being set? Okay. Well, let's see here. Let's look at what's happening on update. Rigid body velocity. Okay, so it is it doesn't need to be kinematic. Man. I spelled player wrong. Hit the paler. Come here, buddy. I really didn't want to deal with this today. I really didn't want to deal with this today. What? Huh. Well, let's double check and make sure the player The controller is correct. So let's go to controller here. Whoopsie. There's the controller. It's set to player. And the tag is set to player as well. Man, I couldn't tell you guys, honestly. Is it because it is trigger? Let's take a look and see if the... man, this sucks. Let's take a look and see if the walkers... Let's see here. Let's type in walker. There we go. We have one here. Let's see where he is. He's right there. Okay. Let's see if he can hurt me. Okay. Okay, he can. But she can't. I'm not sure why I said it was a she. This is really annoying. You know? We're gonna have to figure this out together, guys. We've got this. It should be on trigger enter. Are you sure? Because I don't think you're right. I don't think you're right. But we can double check. Because it's not a trigger. But we could try it. No, Jebby, it's okay. Deadly Saint, it's okay that I misspelled a debug. That's okay. My player collider is a trigger. Why is that? Is it? That's a good question. Why is the player collider a trigger? That's a strange thing. Because I don't see why. Let's double check something here. Okay. Okay, that was it. That was it. We got it. Okay, you guys are right. Way to go, buddies. Wait, hold on. Let's take a look here. What? I'm not enjoying my life. I'm not enjoying this live stream at all. How big is it? You know? Let's take a look. What? Collided with player. But let's double check. Is that true? Oh, and well, we're gonna go back in time here. This is gonna be on collision enter. Save that out. I'm frustrated today. I gotta admit, I've been frustrated for the past 7 days. Just frustrated about everything. And I know I'm being a little bee. So this is just, I guess I need to get over myself. There we go. Way to go. Thank you, guys. All right. It works. That's what you want to see. Okay. Next thing on our list. You guys want to cross it off with me? Here we go. There we go. Goes directly to the face. Flying enemies should be 35% smaller. Famous last words. This should be easy. So let's go ahead and set our little lady here to a little smaller. So we do, like I said, something like 0.7. Am I farting right now? I'm not farting right now. No, I might in a bit. What? Oh, get out of here. Look at that. I think you need to be a little bit smaller. It's a little too red. I'm going to decrease the saturation a bit, if you guys are cool with that. Let's open it up at Photoshop. No, I know. 0.65 is correct. You're right. But I changed my vote. Make it a little bit more yellow. No reason for it to be super vibrant. Let's take a look. Ugh. That looks like a... Ugh. Yeah, I feel like actually the red is kind of cool. What we need to do is we need to go to our... The problem is we've just got a mismatch of skin tones. That's really what I'm trying to solve here. So let's go to the actual enemy here. What? There we go. And then we're going to go to the cube here. There we go. Let's open up the enemy and just make it vibrant red, okay? By the way, guys, those of you just joining us, there's a free 2D game kit below. Go ahead and download that. It's totally free. It's my treat to you. I'm also going to send you some additional free resources, and then I will also let you know when any of my games or when my courses, when there's a big sale event. So if that's something you're interested in, getting a free game kit and also getting informed of that stuff, download it. Totally free. It's my treat to you. Seriously, there's no gimmicks, no tricks. It's just my treat to you, honestly. And there's also a webinar below. This isn't a gimmicky webinar. It will pitch the course, but mainly the webinar is a massive lecture on how you can go full-time with just a demo. And I teach some valuable tricks in there that honestly I wish I would have known about when I had first started. Seriously. So go ahead and take a look at that if that interests you. Drop down the brightness a little bit here. See what this looks like. I just want the flying red thing here and this guy to match. Okay. Yeah. Close. He's a little weird looking. What we can do is create some contrast here. So first off, drop the saturation, increase the brightness. Let's do some contrast. Ganesh, that's very kind of you. Thank you very much. Okay, I see. Okay, it matches now. He looks like really rashy now, which is what I wanted. So, sweet. We've got two enemy types here. We also have the spider enemy type. We need to get that working properly. It's still a little bit messy. But let's go ahead and stop saying go ahead, Thomas. You need to grow up. You keep saying that. I can't remember what I was doing. Oh. Next thing you want to do is go to our list here. Kill this. Bye-bye. Flying enemies should be able to get shot with blood particles and hit sounds. Okay? So let's figure out why that's not happening. The first thing is, well, Thomas, is it tagged as an enemy? That's the first question. It should be. And then also, does it have any blood particles? Okay? So actually what I'm going to do is blood particles die and destinations, blood projector as well. I'm going to copy all of this stuff here. And we're going to paste it inside of the drone. Okay. Whoops. No, we don't want to open that. That's a Blender file. This one here. We don't want to do that. Sorry, you guys are talking about cigars. I feel really, really bad that you guys know that I vape on occasion. I just feel terrible about it. You shouldn't do it. It's really bad. It's immature. Okay, let's zero this out. Boop, there we go. The destinations should be just, well, let's see here. There's a couple things here. Mother cracker jacks. Let's see here. Oh, good. We have patrolling destinations. So in theory, he should be able to patrol. I was worried for a second because I was like, okay, this is a new enemy type, but it actually has a class and it's extended to enemy. So the patrolling destinations should be set up soon, or by default when we hit play. But I'm going to go ahead and turn on my fan really quick. You warm, Jeffy? It's warm in here, isn't it? Instead of saying go ahead, I should say go forth. I like that. All right. Next is, well, let's go ahead and define. There should be like, yes, okay, good. So this is the death particles here. That's good. There's also a death sound we need to define here. Let's see here. Well, Cracker Jacks. Let's see here. I'm just looking at awaken sound. What's that? No. Let's see if the patrolling destinations. Let's just do the patrolling destinations first. Get out of here. Where are you? Okay, let's take a look. Let's pause it and take a look. So we have these destinations here. Nothing happened. Patrolling destinations, did they even get set up? They did not. I think I have to do that myself, which is totally fine. Let's go ahead and define those. So we're going to add 3 of them. See? 1, 2, 3. Wait. We don't need that. Let's take a look at the actual walker here and see what happens with our patrolling destinations. Oh, they're defined. Do they actually do anything though? That's the question. Let's open up the script and see what patrolling destinations does. What this should do is it sets up the patrolling destinations, 3 different transforms, and then the enemy will sort of patrol between all of those points. And I want to do that for all of my enemies. So patrolling. Let's see. We should set up the destinations down here. No, okay. It's set up in the enemy script. All the way down right here. Okay. So we do use them. So let me show you what we're going to do here. We have our destinations here. And by the way, guys, once we get the basic enemy structure down, the flying enemies and the walking enemies, you could just duplicate them over and over again and create different variations of the same enemy type. Some of them will actually shoot. So some of the actual walking enemies, they can shoot. And vice versa. Okay, there's our destinations. We're going to zero that out. And I don't have a problem with just turning them on. And then what we're going to do is drag them in. 1, 2, 3. And then also we're going to go ahead and, don't say that, Thomas. We're going to go forth and change current state to patrolling. So the theory is it's going to patrol around. Crap. Get out of here. Whoa, get out of here. Transform up position attempt is not, what does it say? Valid. What? That's crazy. So we're getting some issues here. I don't know what these... Huh. Why? Isn't that interesting? I don't know why. We're getting an error here. Let's turn off the drone for a sec and take a look at what happens with the father. Not the father, the walker. So there it is. And then let's type in patrolling destinations. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Sorry guys, I'm really confused today. There they are. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there. There's one. There's another one. And there's another one. But he's not patrolling. I could prove it to you. It's not working. Like if I put that over here, let me see. If we take the walker, so many bugs. You know, this is the problem. Is when you take a break, you just forget about everything. Okay, are you gonna walk, buddy? Let's see here. One sec. Okay, let's see if he's patrolling. What? That sucks. So, let's turn off this box glider. Ooh, what's that? Oh, that's where he can see. Okay. Sorry, I'm forgetting about everything here. We're going to turn off the box collider, okay? And we're just going to see if he patrols. Sucks that we're going back in time here. There he is. Look at that. Oh, come on, Thomas. We just got this enemy working. Just got this enemy type working. Let's maybe turn on the destinations. I think we need to do that. Let's take a look here. Nope. I don't know why he can immediately hear me and see me. Let's go to the other level, okay? Let's go to level 1. Okay. Okay, they're running around. So these guys work just fine. Okay, so for some reason, we're just getting an issue. Honestly. Well, actually, let's hit apply all. I think yeah, I'm not sure. All right, let's go to level 2. I'm going to copy this one. And we're going to bring it in. Sure, save it out. Not that one. There we go. There's multiple interiors here. Okay, let's take our buddy here. Okay, cool. And we're going to paste a new one in and delete that one. Because I'm just unsure if he was buggy. Okay, where is he? We'll delete these here. I'm unsure. I think we need to like bake in the ground or something. There he is. Bake in the navigation. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. It's unfortunate because I was supposed to be working on the flying enemy type. That was the goal. Okay, there he is. Good. Okay, we can shoot him. That's good. So let's take a look and see what's happening here. If I remove that box collider, he really shouldn't see me. Oh, it's so annoying. That's so weird. Yeah, I couldn't tell you. For some reason, he could see. He shouldn't even be able to sense me. Let's hit play and see if it enables. Yeah, why? I don't know why he can sense me. That's so strange. Could it be the ground is tagged improperly? Could be. Yeah, Brave doesn't really have any ads. The browser Brave, it doesn't really have any ads. I'm not gonna worry about this enemy right now, okay? Let's do something really quick though. We're gonna go to the navigation here. And we're gonna bake everything in properly here. I will say with 3D, even though 3D is easy, like once you figure it out, it's not that bad. There's so much stuff to keep in mind when it comes to like layers and tags. So it could be a real pain. Yeah, it's really frustrating. I just don't know why. We really need to we really need to figure out why that's happening. He's supposed to patrol around, you know? I mean, you can even see it's set to patrolling. So let's just jump into the script and take a look at what's happening here. We're gonna have to find this. Okay, target transform. Yeah, let's take a look here. Okay, it gets set to following immediately. And we need to figure out why that is. Okay, it goes from the AI state of patrolling to following immediately. Now, I do wonder, like, what happens if, you know, if we move this guy all the way, like, into the bathroom, right? Will he come follow me? He might come through this door. Let's take a look. There he is. Why, buddy? Why can you sense me? Because it's just stupid because that box collider, I guess it's hitting something and it thinks it's the player. That's all I can sort of guesstimate here. So let's go inside of the enemy and take a look here. There we go. Follow player. So it's setting up. Okay. All right. So for some reason, this is occurring right here. See that? And I couldn't tell you why. Let's double check something here. Let's go debug.log. Follow the player. If that shows up in our console, it means that this trigger is occurring for some reason. And I don't know why. I do wonder. Do we have a really big, like, let's see here, capsule collider or something somewhere? I have no idea. Let's take a look. Okay, it's not there it goes. For some reason. Hold on. Let's take a look here. I think I might know what's going on. If this was to rotate like this, I guess it probably would hit the player. See? So maybe it's hitting the player because he's rotating, you know? But even still, like even if I took this and I made it really small, wait. Is it because I'm shooting? I think he's hearing me. Let's put game view right there and watch what happens in the scene view here. Look, he's automatically looking at me. He just immediately turns and looks at me. Wow. Well, I think it's because I think I know what's going on, y'all. There's only so many paths he can go on. So, yeah, I think I know what's happening. Let's hit play and then pause. And right now, he's currently set to He's patrolling, okay? He's set to patrol, and he's patrolling to destination 1 or destination 2. Let's see here. There's destination 3. 1. Huh. Okay, so that's destination 1. And now he's just running directly to me. What is going on? Wow. We got ourselves a problem, Houston. This is pretty frustrating, actually. Look, he's chasing me. Why? Why? He's not even touching me. It's just one of those days. Look at that. He starts patrolling towards me, which is just real annoying. It might be a sound event. But look, I mean, that's not even happening because it's set to patrol. Look at this. He's patrolling right now, but that's what's so frustrating. His state is set to patrol, but he's not running towards destination 1. Look, here's destination 1. There's 2 and there's 3. So I don't know where he's going. You know? Let's see what his target is. Let's go to Walker. What is target set to? Target destination is controller transform. So I don't know why that is. We're going to figure this out, guys. Very frustrating indeed. Wait. Huh. Are you serious? It's this. Maybe. I think I figured it out. Very annoying. But I think I know what it is. Please, God. Please. No! Let's try this. There he goes. Look. He's doing it. We just needed to set target transform to destination 1. Okay, he's waiting. He should run somewhere else. There he goes. Look. There he goes. Okay, now. Obviously, we need to do a ray cast or a sphere cast. Because this box isn't going to work. Because it's going to pass through the walls, obviously. So we do need to do a sphere cast. Okay, what happens? Okay, now he can see me. He heard me. And now he's going to chase me. All right, guys. We figured it out. We're going to apply that really quick. It's hard to explain, but basically all we needed to do was set the first patrol destination. That's all we needed to do. All right, let's go ahead and, or let's move forward and go to our flying enemy type, which is the drone. This one right here. It's fine with me. Okay. There it is. Now, this is what we need to do. Go to our destinations here. See? And you just drag in that first destination onto the target transform. That's all we need to do. So this one here. That should fix it. Why aren't you droning around? Go. Why aren't you going? Let's see what those errors were. Transform destination 1 is not valid. How strange. Let's see here. Let's take a look. We're getting some weird errors here. Look at that. It's trying to create an infinity. How weird is that? Okay, let's take a look here. So this is the script that's getting screwed up. Set up patrol destinations. I don't need this. Transform patrolling destinations parent equals patrolling destinations dot transform dot parent dot transform. Okay, whatever that means. Oh, I think I figured it out. I think it needs to be right here. I think it needs to be outside of this, like right here. Wait, hold on. Let's open this up here. There we go. That could be it. Let's try it out. Nope. Nope. Clear iron play. Okay. So that didn't work either. So let's take a look at these setup patrol destinations here and see what's going on. Let's see. Sorry, I'm getting an error here and I'm not sure what it is. This definitely makes me want to make sure I don't have to do this again. That's so weird. Let's see here. Patrolling destinations, dot position. Okay, so let's figure out hit position is invalid for some reason. Let's see here. Oh, I think I know what it is. These walk radius. Okay, Thomas, you're so stupid sometimes. You need to grow up. Walk radius needs to be... it needs to be bigger than 1. Duh. Just need to change my life. I need to do better. Patrol location scatter multiplier 50, 80, and then 10. Okay, so we go to the drone as well. Same thing here, guys. 50, 80, 10. So it's 50 is our patrol point, I think. Walk radius 80, and then 80 and then 10. Let's see. Go, 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 go. Ah, okay. So this, what was it? What were the values again? Oh, 0, 50, 80, 10. Okay. Okay, I see it. 0, 50, 80, 10. Okay? That should do it. Oh, it's so frustrating. My life. My life. I just want to cry. Let's see. Destination 1 is here. There's that one. And then there's that one. So why aren't you going where you're supposed to go, you stupid fool? Patrol pause time. No. I'm looking at my other variables here and trying to match them. These are my variables that I need to match. Head look at is blank, but I don't need to do anything with that. It's so weird. It's so weird. Target transform is destination 1. I think I know what to do here. There's a condition that's not being met. Let's take a look. Yeah. What we need to do is go to our walker. Yeah, that's frustrating. So this is sample enemy here. Look at this. We have all this stuff here. Crap. Yeah. All this stuff here needs to be copied over. That just sucks, you know. I don't want to deal with that. Really sucks. There's a lot of stuff we need to copy over. So, what do I want to do here? Yeah, so this one here, there's a ton of stuff I need to copy over, and I don't want to deal with that. Crap. I guess we could have it so it's just not patrolling, honestly. You know? And then we just, but that's just so lazy. It is lazy, isn't it? All right, let's do it. Let's just start it from the top. Start from the very beginning. Man, that's so frustrating. I think I'm okay with it not patrolling, to be completely honest. But I do, however, I want it to be, you know, well, the problem is when I hit play here, he's sort of just not doing anything in the ground. See? But then when it gets set up to follow the player, oh good, he's animating. Okay. So I am curious why. What if I make the fly offset higher? Yeah, for some reason he raises up when I interact with him. Oh, that's because it's, if we go to fly here, let's take a look. There's a lot of confusing things happening right now, guys. That's the fly offset value. No, the collider's not stuck. It's just, but thank you. He really does need to patrol, unfortunately. So let's just set that up really quick. He really does need to patrol. So it's unfortunate. So this condition here, we need to copy over to the drone. This one right here. Good. So there's that. Okay. And here's the patrolling script right here. Yep. Agent at destination equals target transformed at position. Target transform is being set right here. Okay. So that's good. So we're going to put that right on agent. Right next to agent is stopped. Right here. So we're getting an issue. What is this? Is it that? No? Ah. There we go. All right. Put it right below agent is stopped here. Good. Now, yep. Okay, that should do it, honestly. Good. I think that's all we needed to do. Now that I'm thinking about it. What we're doing, by the way, sorry, I'm sort of thinking and I'm not being super insightful to you guys, but basically we have two scripts that extend to the enemy base class. The drone and then the walker. The walker is set up to patrol. The drone is not. So I need to copy over some of those scripts, right? We could technically copy this right here. All of this, including this. We could take all of that and put it inside of this right here. Good. So now he has a hearing field as well, the sample drone. Box collider is being set properly. Oh, sorry. My back itches. And then this right here, remove. And then finally we need to import this. So let's add a box collider. Box colliders, I guess, are the officially, instead of a sphere collider, a box collider is what we hear with. Okay. Well, there it is. Okay. So let's go ahead and create a box collider. We're not going to use a sphere. We're going to use a box. Okay. We'll probably change this in the future. I'm going to remove the sphere collider here. Set it up to trigger. And be 25 by 25 by 25. So this is the sight and hearing of this enemy type. You could do an offset if you really wanted to, like this, like we did for the, but let's do like a 10 by 10 by 10. So that should do it. Crap. Unassigned reference. The variable hit collider of sample drone enemy has not been assigned. Okay. Hit collider has not been assigned. What would hit collider be? Okay. Hit collider. Let's figure out what hit collider does first. Oh my goodness, I don't know what it does. By the way, for those of you just joining us, we're using code that was written by a buddy of mine. Paid him to do the code, and now we're just sort of repurposing it for this game. So I don't know what hit collider actually does. What is transform.inverse transform point? I don't know what that means. I really don't. Inverse transform point. Let's look that up. Inverse. I've never used that before. What does it do? Transform the position x, y from world to local space. But what does hit collider even do? Let's take a look at the enemy script here. Do we use it here? We don't. I don't even know if we use it anywhere. Oh. And yeah, it's like I don't even know it has a purpose. So interesting. Let's see if the sample enemy uses it. Nope, the sample enemy does not use it. Did I use this last week? I feel like I did. Okay, so there's a hit collider, and then there's also a hearing trigger, okay? So we need to sort of specify all that stuff, which is really unfortunate. We have all these different colliders. We have this one here. That really should be the hit collider. Oh, wow. Look at that. Let's put this back. So that's a small one. Okay, that should be the hit collider. Okay. So we can remove this one here. And we're going to try and set this up here. Drag this and put it right there. There we go. So I believe that's the hit collider. Sorry, there's just so many references here, and I'm getting a little bit lost. He's still not moving. The variable trigger of sample drone enemy has not been assigned. Huh. What? You probably need to assign the trigger variable. Trigger. Let's take a look. The sphere collider should be a trigger. Okay. So it really should just be a collider. It shouldn't be a sphere collider. Okay. Well, that's interesting. My brain is pretty fried right now. Why are we using a sphere collider as opposed to just a collider? You know? Let's take a look at this here. Box collider. How do we use the box collider? All right, let's see how we're using this trigger variable. So the trigger variable, we're not even using it. It's not even being used. So we can get rid of it. I don't think we need it. Let's take a look and see if it affects the actual walking enemy. Yeah, there's just a few things that are kind of screwy right now. So let's take a look. Hmm. Let me do something really quick. Okay. We really don't need it. We really don't. Doesn't do anything. Okay, what about this? There's another one right here. We don't need that either. The reason why, guys, is because originally it was using sphere colliders. Now it's using box colliders. And that's in a different script. So let's hit play. Okay, look, look, look. Okay, so it's going directly towards me. Why is that? Gosh. That's so frustrating. Why are you coming towards me, buddy? You're supposed to patrol. So for some reason, he immediately starts to chase me, as does this guy. Nope. Good, he stopped. But this guy doesn't. Look at that. It's so buggy. Huh. Let's figure out where destination 1 is. So he should be flying to this position here, right? But for some reason he's flying towards the character, and you can see here, if you actually select him and we go to the script here, look, his target transform is currently set to destination 1 and he's set to patrol. But for some reason he's moving towards the player. So I don't know why that is, honestly. That's very interesting. Let's watch the current state right here and see what we get. Set to patrolling. Set to patrolling. Patrolling, patrolling, patrolling. Wait. Oh, he's right over my head. Okay. So he's set to patrol, but for some reason, he's still going to the character. So let's open up the script here and take a look at what is happening with our patrol script, okay? This right here. Let's go to our sample enemy here. There we go. So we can, I think we can take all of this, copy that. Let's see here. Well. I feel like this stuff here we don't need. Let's take a look at the actual enemy script here for this one. Yeah, we don't have anything happening there. We could probably take all of this here and just paste it right here. Right? I think that's yeah, I think that's all we need to do. Yep. I don't know what that is. Attack radius. Okay. Okay, I see. right, there is no attack radius for this guy here. There we go. All right. I feel like he should always be set to walking. So that's a given right here. It's just like, just set it to true. Because what that means is it's going to do that floating animation. We don't need that. And let's take a look. We'll see if it works. I did not expect this to be that complicated. We got an unassigned reference exception. The variable animator of sample drone enemy has not been defined, of course. Let's see here. There it is. So we just need to drag it in. I'm telling you, once we get these two enemy types done, we're just going to create derivatives of the walk enemy type mostly, because this has been a real pain. So just drag up the animator just like this, bring it all the way up, and it should be somewhere near us. Where are we? There it is. Boop. All right, what do we think? He's walking towards me, but he's looking at something else. Gosh. So annoying. Let's take a look and see what's going on here, guys. So there it is, look. Okay. If we're following or patrolling, we do all this stuff here, right? Well, I actually don't know if that's correct. Huh. Look. If distance is smaller than or equal to the stopping radius. Wow. That right there. This needs to be target transform. Okay, it is. It is. All right, let's take a look at our patrolling value. Okay, current state is currently set to patrolling. Is the target set to the player for some reason? No, it's not. Okay. So target transform should be the value we're going towards. But for some reason it's not. So we really need to figure that out. Okay, this right here. What is that? Is that even used? Ah, okay. So this is our problem, guys. I think this needs to be target transform value. Whew. My brain is like, certain days my brain, it's just ready to go to bed. I didn't sleep well last night. That's my excuse for being a moron here. By the way, guys, if you haven't downloaded the free 2D game kit below, download it. It's totally free. You can use it whenever you want. Honestly, just sign up, get it sent to your email, and then you can grab it later. Maybe a year, 2 years down the road. It's always good to have this. Totally free. Okay, did that work? Look, rotation viewing vector is 0. I think I know what's going on. Here's destination 1. Let's take a look at where destination 1 gets sent. Okay, okay, here we go, here we go. Where are you going? Where are you going? Man, this is confusing. Let's try and put it there. I have no idea why that would matter. But we'll put it there. Target transform. So it kind of worked. Look, 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 look. It's working. It's working. But you can see here, he rotates. Where are you going? So it's kind of working. This is so annoying. Let's see here. Okay, there's one. Oh, okay. Where are you? Why? Like he's just finding the edges. And I understand why. So. And then when he's awakened, he starts to do that fly animation. So, yeah, I think I get it. This guy, jeez. Okay. Wow. Look rotation viewing vector is 0. Target transformed position minus transformed position. So it looks like the patrolling is working. So that's good. Okay, there he is. Are you going to follow me, buddy? Good, he can follow me now. Okay. But notice how he's not playing the fly animation. So we definitely need to figure out what's going on there. But overall, it generally works. He's not playing the fly animation where he sort of hovers. It's not playing. So it's this right here, drone fly. I see. Okay, so there it is, drone fly. Let's see if it's not playing. So let's go ahead and go to play mode here. It is playing, but the drone father variant offset. Okay, so the offset value. I see. I see. So that's the fly offset value. It's not working because we need the target value, which is target transformed at position. We need the Y position. Yes. To be affected by that offset value. Okay. Okay, here we go. So new vector 3. Today is one of those days. We have them on occasion. And that's okay. It's okay. Target transform dot position dot z. Okay, that should do it. I don't even know what this is, but anyway, I need some coffee. It's not working. So annoying. I wonder why the fly animation isn't happening. Let's take a look. Okay, the offset is occurring, but for some reason we're not getting an offset, because I believe it needs to be right here. Yeah. Interesting. So honestly, this value can just be outside of both of these statements, just like right here. That's about it. Let's take a look. All right, let's see here. How annoying. We should be getting an offset occurring. So, yeah. Well, actually, no. That's not how we're going to do it. Come on, Thomas. What are you thinking? That's not it. That's not how this works. We keep that as is. Man, I'm so stupid sometimes. Seriously, though, today is one of those days where your brain is not thinking clearly. That would never work. Okay? Gosh. What we need to do is we need to have the offset value of the actual agent adjusting. That's what we need to do. So, there we go. So what we do is we go to our, it's this right here. I'll show it to you. We go to our drone. The nav mesh agent has a base offset, right? There we go. So that's what we're going to be adjusting. Okay. So we're just going to go to agent dot offset. There it is. Equals, well, offset dot y. I think that'll do it. Let's take a look. Yep. Thomas, you win. Okay. So obviously we don't want the, we want his rotate, and we don't want him shooting, that's for sure. So yeah, this right here, this is the shoot script. It's occurring if distance is smaller than or equal to the stopping radius. So oh, my brain, hold on. I don't know what the stopping radius even is. It's 5. Hmm. All right, yeah. Yeah, so he can always shoot. And he just heard me. Okay, hold on. And then he sees me. And he should start following me. Why aren't you following me, buddy? Wow. There's so much wrong here. I have this sneaking feeling that I need to delete this entire class and just use this one. Because everything's so broken right now. Look at him. What are you doing? Where are you? Why are you out there, buddy? Come on. Okay. Man. Well, guys, I'm going to take a break, aka continue live streaming tomorrow, because I am not going to figure this out now. I think what I'm going to do is make it so that the walking enemy type can just shoot. Then I'm going to put this graphic onto that enemy type, and that's it. That's about all we really need to do. Yeah. That's about the only thing. And what another alternative is to have it sort of just randomly fly around and have it more like a homing missile. But I do want it to use the nav mesh, you know. That's so interesting. I don't know why it's just frustrating. I don't know why he'll stop like this. And he stops forever. Why do you stop forever, buddy? Look, rotation viewing is 0. Look, he just stops. Look at that. He's just stopped. You changed, this is from Thomas Terkelton. You changed the velocity enemy from the controller. Man, it's just so frustrating. We're like this close to getting it to work. And I don't, he was get out of here. I'm going to kill you. We were so close to getting it just perfect. Everything is so close. Where's patrolling destination 2? Should be over there. Destination 3 is over here. And I believe for some reason he's over there. That's destination 1. Okay, so he's at destination 1 and he won't move to destination 3. No, he can't get stuck. He's not getting stuck in anything. Let's try again. But thank you for your thoughts. How frustrating is this, y'all? There he is. And he just sort of gets stuck there. Look at that. And I don't know what this is. So, he's just stuck. I want to take a look at this script here. Figure out what's going on. I am determined here. It's almost like none of this is even relevant, you know? Yeah, I don't know what distance is or stopping radius. Let's take a look at the sample enemy and see if we even use that. This is called attack radius. I remember I renamed it. If distance is greater than or equal to attack radius, then he starts to follow target transformed up position to each destination. Oh man, I'm so close to figuring this out. Oh man, my brain. If I delete all this, what happens? Yeah, there's some conditions here that to me make no sense. It's like, what's the point? Okay, now that patrolling script isn't even going to work. Where's our friend? Look, he's moving. I wonder why that works. Like I just deleted everything and he's just, no, I'm gonna patrol, have a good time. Y'all remember when the patrolling was working? Wasn't that a great feeling? And now it's just, he just like, I'm done. I don't want to work anymore. I don't want to patrol anymore. Let's just set him to patrol by default, maybe? I don't know. Pretty frustrated. Anyway, guys, if you want to download that free 2D game kit, please download the 2D game kit. And also remember, there's a webinar below. It's an hour long. And it's how you can secure 6 figures for your demo. I've done that multiple times. I've also created Kickstarter campaigns. And both of them raised 6 figures. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, click below. Obviously, guys, it's a webinar. So at the end of the webinar, you will get a pitch for my products. But the webinar is massive. So you're going to learn a lot. It's totally free. So feel free to check both those things out. And you can take advantage of them whenever you want. And I'm also going to send you some free resources as well. And hey, maybe I can take advantage of those because I need a lot of help. It's like I don't even remember how to make games. It's just one of those days. Really discouraged. Oh well. The 2D kit's below Squish the Ninja. Click the first link in the description. All right. Probably tomorrow this will be fixed so that I don't have to live stream things being broken. But I'll talk to you guys later tomorrow. And I'll be in a better mood, I promise.